Here we have this 63 plate BMW 520d M Sport. Now it comes with the LED headlights with the black kidney grills in the centre. We've also got the front and rear parking sensors with an in-car visual display. 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all unmarked just there. We've also got the privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with a black trim around the outside. Colour-coded door handles and door mirrors with the colour-coded shark fin antenna up top. We've also got the black spoiler at the back. Dual exit exhaust integrated into the diffuser with the parking sensors on the rear. Now this car does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with a grey stitching, isofix points with the armrest in the centre. There's a look at those seats. We've also got the electric windows and the door handle with the brushed aluminium on the door. Onto the front, you can see we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather with the grey stitching. Both of these seats are heated and electrically adjustable just here on the bottom. We've also got the electric windows with a child lock at the rear. We've also got the folding mirrors, ambient lighting running across the top of the door with the brushed aluminium. We've got the automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, as you can see on this steering wheel, we've got the cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side, and we've also got the volume button with the mode button for the digital dash on the right hand side with the paddle shifts on either side just there. Onto the main screen, you can see that we've got the satellite navigation. We've got the DAB radio with the Bluetooth phone connectivity. Also, if you go into manage mobile devices and across to connect device, you can see that this vehicle has the Bluetooth audio and the Apple CarPlay. Back onto the menu, going across to my vehicle, into vehicle settings and lights, you can see this vehicle also has the ambient lighting and you can change the colour. It goes all the way from lilac up to bronze. My favourite colour in these vehicles is purple. It runs nicely across the dashboard and into the door as well. We've got the dual climate control with the heated seats on both sides, heated rear window. We've got the cup holders, automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. So if you press this button here, then it comes up on the screen in the 3 different drive modes in which this vehicle can be driven. We've also got the dial with the manual buttons just there. Electric handbrake with the armrest just there. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.